Reading this article, I find it ironic that this one here is finding our mothers while children are dying. He wants to play sheriff, but only when poor colored mothers are selling fruit to survive. When the man with the car want to live free. When real killers show up, he's missing in action. Under his watch, colored communities bleed. 263 murders in 3 months in the Western Cape, a pathetic 3% conviction rate for gang related crimes. Philippi Delp Mitchells Plain and Overpark, war zones with no real protection. But Smith sends law enforcement to find our mothers on the corners for selling vegetables. He pounds cars, he sends trucks to shut them down, but he don't shut down the drug dens. He harasses those trying to make a living while turning a blind eye to those taking lives. And now he wants to cry about the witch hunt. We should have been hunting this witch long time ago, man. He's not here to save you, he's here to control you. Not to fight crime, but to police poverty. Not to protect colored people, but to punish them for surviving. Malcolm X once said, no, you don't stick a knife in a man's back 9 inches, pull it out 6 and call it progress. JP Smith and the DA have stabbed our communities in the back for years. The only witch hunt we need is the one that ends their reign over our pain. We need justice, not fines. We need protection, not prosecution. He's the problem, not the solution, mense. Wake up.